Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am on a journey to save, invest, and aggressively pay off my home mortgage. So if that is something that you are interested in, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I look forward to you all being on this journey with me. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We are unstuffing our mini challenges for the month of October. I started out with 13 challenges. So let's see, guys, what we have here. So this is Miss Mom Budgets, and we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 7, 8, 9. Guys, this is $100 challenge. Now the numbers are going to be $1 off because after I complete each challenge, I put $1 to the side and I put it in a box. And so I will have an unstuffing of that box at the end of the year. Okay, so that was $100 challenge. It was $2 each circle. So that was super cool. I wasn't even expecting that much. Okay, here we have Becca Budgets 777, and we have a total of 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, $77, guys. Okay, and let me get me a little bit of help here with counting these dollars. Okay, so that's super cool. $77 there. All right, guys. It is fall with budget with Reese. It's super cute fall challenge as well. And we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. So, yay, guys. Here we have Lady Di Saves. And we saved $23. And these are all October challenges that will go towards investing and saving. D plans and budgets. We have $24 there. And this is Liz Budgets. I believe because the name isn't on there, but this is a super cute October challenge, guys. So much fun. And we have $42 saved from that cute challenge. Here is Jan at Country Girl Budgets. And we have 25, 35, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 55, $59, guys. So that is just super duper cool. Our next challenge is Mandy's Budget and Journey Super Cute Fall Challenge. And we saved $25, 6, 7, 8, $28. Here, guys, we have Grammy's Journey. And we have 21, 2, 3, $23. Another cute fall challenge. Here is Hey Kate Budgets with 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $49 for Hey K Budgets. Another super cute challenge. Here is Sin on a Budget, another fall challenge that saved us 20, 40, 45, $49, guys. So again, every challenge is $1 off because I put $1 in a box for every challenge that's completed. And so I will unstuff that box at the end of the year. This is my challenge, Soft Life Challenge, that saved us 20, 40, 60, 70, $77, guys. So that was pretty good too. I wasn't expecting that much for my challenge, but I made each icon worth $4. Okay, guys, and finally, the 13th challenge is Chatty Cathy Budgets, and it saved us $40. So let's do a very quick count. So we have $380 in 20s, $20 in 10s, $85 in 5s, $53 in 1s, another $50 in 1s, and $21 in 1s. Guys, that is $599. Almost $600, guys, in 13 mini savings challenges. Yay! So guys, I am looking forward to completing all of my tinies this month, and towards the end of the month, completing some other savings challenges. So guys, thank you so much, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.